Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my wallet unstuffing. I've kind of got away from my cash stuffing and I'm trying to get back into it. We've had a lot of expenses to come up. We went on vacation, which was wonderful, but then when we came back to a broken heat and air unit plus a refrigerator that had quit working. So we lost everything in our freezer and refrigerator, and all that had to be replaced. So we're having to start over from scratch again. Very discouraging, but here we are going to try this again. So I'm going to unstuff my wallet. I have been trying to use my wallet even though I've not been doing the stuffing on video, but I'm going to unstuff my wallet now. What's in my wallet will be going towards my Black Friday Savings Challenge. I've got this one available and it's in the black. Sorry, it's messed up right there, but this one's in the black. And then I also have, if I can get that button back, I also have it available in this, which is the white. It comes with a scratch off, the $1, the $5, the $10, the $20, and the Cyber Monday. And it also comes with the matching trackers, which is all erasable, so you can use them over and over again. So let's get to unstuffing my wallet. Okay, on Ava, this is my 1-year-old. I use this to buy her diapers and wipes, and if she needs a new pacifier or anything that she needs. I've got $11 left. Nothing left in gas. In kids needs, nothing left. In my personal spending, I have 20 left. I've pretty much been staying home after vacation, trying to let myself heal a little bit. In drinks, we have $5 left. I use this for like if we want any kind of soda, if we want a Gatorade, a juice, anything like that, an alcoholic beverage, I use it for that. And then eating out, I have 20 left. Like I said, I've been staying home, so I got it hung. So that's not been spent. Then family fun, there's nothing left. And beauty, I did finally get my nails professionally done, and I love them. I went to a new place because the place that I did go to, they moved away. So I do really like them, so I will be going back. Beauty, okay, self-care, nothing. Pets, let's see, I have $5, $6, $7 left. This is to buy any kind of pet food. We have cats, chickens, and dogs. So, and that's just, like I said, any food or toys or anything that's for them household. I have 10 left. That's for like toilet paper, dishwashing liquid, paper towels, anything like that. Laundry, that's self-explanatory. Fabric softener, laundry detergent, anything like that. I have $6 left. And let's see, nothing in those. So that's all from my wallet. Let's see if I can take out my change here. I've got a little bit of change left. I've been collecting it over here in this jar, and then I move it into my bigger change jars, which looks like it's about ready to do. So I'll be doing that off camera. Let's see how much we have to go into our Black Friday savings. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, $84 to go into our Black Friday. That's pretty exciting. So I'll be back with a different video for that one. I'm trying to get as much content as I can because I am so far behind. I really appreciate everyone new that has subscribed. I'm hoping to do a giveaway when we get to 100 subscribers. If we can get to it pretty soon, I will probably give away one of these Black Friday binders with all of the envelopes and the trackers. So let's hit 100 before let's say the end of August, and I will be giving one of those away. If it's later than that, I will try to find something else to give away that will won't run so close to Christmas. And I wanted to also show you all my new budget binder that I am doing. They are available in this style binder or as a digital download. I'll show you mine that I have in mine. Also, I'm making these paperclip flowers that you can it's as a bookmark. Let's see, they come with a dashboard if you buy the physical product. Let me scoot all this over. It comes with the dashboard, and if you buy the physical product, you will also get your own bills tracker. Digital download, you will just get the budget planner itself, and it comes with the monthly calendar. It has all of the months there. Then on the back, it has the month, and it has 3 places to put income for the month, and it has where you can break it down. And then on the weekly, it has, like I said, 3 places to put income, and then you can break it down. You can break it down into fixed expenses, variable expenses, debt and savings, and then budgeted and actual. On the back side of that, we have our weekly bill planner, which you can put down which day of the week the bills will come out of your bank account or that you need to pay them. And we have our wallet tracker. You can put which week it is. And we have a category, how much you stuffed, and then how much will be remaining. And down here you'll write your totals amounts. This one is a weekly planner. I also have the bi-weekly and the monthly. And then we have the online spending. Then we have the cash planning, the sinking funds, the savings challenges, and it's 12 months. It's undated, so you can use it. You can start now, like I'm going to do. I'm going to start this one in August. So I will go here and mark August, and then I will start my August planning. And hopefully I can keep myself accountable and stay on track this time. I really hope so. But anyway, I really appreciate you all watching this video. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and leave me a comment. I will leave my Etsy shop where all of my budget planners are available, and the bookmark flowers. I've also got the planner pouches where you can stick your planners down in them. It kind of keeps everything together. It will protect the surface. I have these in several different colors, but they're very nice. I also have them in the A6. This is the A5. I've got them in the A6 and the A7, the pocket size. So, like I said, leave me a comment. If I would love any new subscribers. it really had helped me out. I'd really like to get to 100 by the end of August. I really appreciate you all for watching, and let me know if you have any suggestions. I'm always open to suggestions, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.